Hello, I'm Julie Samaka with Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. In this video, I want to show you how to make a simple fall wreath for your front door. You know, I've been teaching thousands of people how to master the art of wreath making through my online tutorials and Wreath Making of the Month Club. So I know a thing or two about wreaths. I've been making them for 10 years. This is one of my simple tutorials to teach you. I know you can do this. I can't wait to show you. So the first thing I'm going to do is zip tie this to my wreath. So just got a regular grapevine wreath, and this was purchased from Hobby Lobby, so you can find these anywhere. I like that they have all of the pieces attached to it already, which is awesome. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and zip tie this to my wreath. I'm going to zip tie that. Now I'm going to take the other piece, shape it out, just give a little bend, lay this in here. I'm going to go ahead and trim this off. And now I'm going to zip tie. And I'll come down to the bottom. Zip tie here. And then I'm going to zip tie one more time, right up here at the top. So this is what your wreath should look like now, with everything zip tied in. So the next thing I'm going to do is add my bow, which is right here. I've already created this, and I've got this linked above. So if you're wanting to learn how to make this bow, I can show you. On my YouTube channel right above. It should be linked above here. If you're watching the replay on Facebook, it's over there on my YouTube channels. Alright, so I'm just going to reposition this. Alright, so we've got this added. And let's see, I've got my long streamers going over here. I'm just going to take it and weave it through. Just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim this one a little bit shorter. Fold that over. Just repositioning the loops into some of the pieces of the spray. So you can see we've got that added, right? All right, so the next thing I want to do is add these beautiful sunflowers. I've just got two. Going to put some hot glue on the end, and then just add it into my grapevine wreath, just like that. Okay. I'm going to add the other one right underneath. Opposites attract. Add that right there. Here's what we've got. So the next thing I want to do are just add in some of these long lateral pieces, just to give this airy look to the wreath. So yeah, we can go that way. So when I have little pieces left over that fall out, I'm just going to hot glue those right into my bow. And there you have it, a simple wreath for your front door this fall. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified the next time we upload a video. Thanks for watching.